Just that one word can change your impression. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 1. Cafe Chat. What are you getting? Probably a latte. Do you like sweet drinks? I really do. This place is quiet. It feels cozy. Do you come here often? About twice a week. It is so hot today. I am getting iced coffee. Not hot coffee? Not today. That cake looks good. Want a bite? Really? Of course. Have you been busy lately? Pretty busy actually. Are you sleeping enough? Not really. Isn't the Wi-Fi slow? Yeah, it is slow. Can you still work? I think so. What are you reading? A mystery novel. Is it good? I am really into it. I like your outfit. Thanks. I got it recently. It looks great on you. You look sleepy today. I barely slept. What were you doing? Watching videos. This song is nice. I like it too. They play it here a lot. It is relaxing. Are you hungry? Kind of. Want to order food? The fries look tempting. Have you been exercising? Not at all. That explains it. Same here. Are you working today? Starting this afternoon. I am free until then. Nice. Is that a new laptop? I bought it last week. Is it good? It works great. It is crowded outside. It is the weekend. People love cafes. Seriously. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.